Good morning, everyone. Today my video is about how to make money on Instagram. What is Instagram? Basically, Instagram is a platform, social media platform where people share images, video-based contents, Instagram stories, reels. So this is how it works. And if you don't know, Instagram is also a property of Facebook, just like WhatsApp. Very well-known platform. It was being acquired, I don't remember, it's probably in 2017-18 it was being acquired by Facebook, and ever since then it has been growing rapidly up on speed. So before moving on, how to make money with Instagram, let me share you with some stats by Sprout Social, which has said that 7 out of 10 hashtags on Instagram are actually branded. They are primarily branded or sponsored by different companies. 71% of US businesses are using Instagram in 2018, and 80% of users follow at least one business on Instagram. I personally follow many businesses on Instagram. Yes, many businesses, and I even found many business ads on Instagram. I even promote many different companies ads on Instagram. And I was running a cafe. It was my own cafe, and as compared to Facebook, I got tremendous results from Instagram. So sharing my own personal experience, the audience is much better on Instagram as compared to Facebook. And if you don't know, Instagram mobile ad revenues hit nearly 7 billion in 2019, and there are more than 8 million business profiles on Instagram. Today is 2022, and it's almost very common social media platform, which is being used by masses. Millions and billions of people use it to have engagement with their followers, their audience. Many celebrities just like use Twitter, they also use Instagram to communicate with them, because since Instagram is more deprived towards image, video based sharing, and celebrities keep on updating their pictures, photos, and their audience and their fans want to see the celebrities again and again. So that is how they get engaged and they get connected with their audience. So the question is how to make money on Instagram. But before that, you need to define your audience on what kind of personality you want to be on Instagram. Who are you? Who is going to be a target audience? Who are you? Who is going to be your target audience? What kind of content you can share? First is, if you are a celebrity or if you like going to events, Instagram can be a perfect place to share those events. And probably if you keep on actively engaging with different people at audience, build your audience on Facebook, on Instagram, they may invite you for paid sponsorships. So the brands are very concerned for their Instagram presence, just like Facebook presence or just like Twitter presence. They are also very concerned for Instagram presence. So definitely, it's very important for you to understand who is going to your audience and how often you share your content on Instagram. So my next question is content which works on Instagram. Basically, Instagram, ideally, it was started by sharing images, photos with hashtags. That is how it got started. But people do live streaming on Instagram. People create videos. People also create Instagram stories. Just like Snapchat stories, Instagram stories are also very famous, and you can see who has seen your stories. And I can, whenever I log into my Instagram profile, I can see a bundle of people updating their stories time by time. So yes, it has a worth, which is why people are updating over there. So as a marketer, you need to understand where your audience is, where any audience is. We need to capture that audience for your marketing purposes. So now let's move on to the real question, and that is how to make money with Instagram. How to make money with Instagram. So let me show you Kristen from Glamour Zine on how she was using Instagram to promote. You can see she's promoting boots, and she is actually sharing her pictures on Instagram, and that is how she is charging. Many people charges hundreds and thousands of dollars. And I was looking at a stat of Cristiano Ronaldo, and he charges for his post. Since I saw it on a quotation post, I don't exactly know if it's really true or not, but I was being told that Cristiano Ronaldo charges around 100 lakh for each sponsored post on his Instagram profile. Imagine what can be done with Instagram. So why he can earn? Because of active engagement with the audience and the amount of followership he has on his Instagram profile. So let me show you another paid partnership post. You can see for Instagram, and just imagine for this Mexican Japanese girl. See, you can see she's Mexican but Japanese, and she's promoting a product. She got a sample from Nordstrom, and that is how she's promoting it. And that is how she is making money. That is how you can do product reviews and make money through it. And that is how you can ask other people to sponsor your videos. But you know what will be the tough time? The tough time will be the start of your video, when no one is going to notice you. But you have to be very consistent with whatever content you create. Other ways which can be is affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing on Instagram, and that is how you can earn money. You can sell your own stuff through Instagram money. You can do sponsored posts. You can do product reviews. I show you sponsored posts, I show you product reviews. If you are a good celebrity, you can do event launches, and event launches can make you earn good income. But for that you have to have an active audience on Instagram first. Then people are going to invite you for their events. Otherwise they won't be inviting you. You can do just don't affiliate marketing again, but what you can do is you can move them to your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel just like me, and if you want to promote your YouTube channel, what you can do is you can build an audience on Instagram and move them to visit your YouTube channel. That is how you can monetize your audience through that way as well. So that is another way through which you can make money through Instagram. But these are the few things I told you. Sky is the limit. There are hundreds of ways through which you can make money through Instagram. There are no issues, no limits. You can actually earn a lot of money if you want. All you need is a consistency with Instagram, and just sky's the limit. Hope you like me. Quick guide to and how to make money with Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.